Oracle Cloud Procurement. Hi, my name's Scott Walls, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the My Receipts application in Oracle Cloud. So let's get started. Slide 1. What is the My Receipts application in Oracle Cloud ERP? The My Receipts application automates the tracking of purchases received or, in the case of services, executed. Oracle Cloud Receipts track the quality and quantity of goods and services consumed at desk or dock. Slide 2. What types and subtypes of receipts can be created within Oracle Cloud ERP? Well, there are good receipts like inventory or non-inventory physical goods, and service receipts, or also known as work confirmations in some circles. So when I receive services, I can receive by quantity, think of a number of hours or milestones or months, or I can receive in dollars. So if I'm going to purchase some services from a consultant who's going to fly here, I don't know the totality or total of their flight receipts in advance, so we'll create a bucket of money and you can draw it down by dollars or amount. And then finally, there are work confirmations. Okay, so slide 3, who creates receipt transactions in Oracle Cloud ERP? Well, the initiators of those transactions are requesters. They can obviously receive their own requests. That's what My Receipts is for. Then there are material managers. So there are other pages where a material manager can receive a shipment from a requester at a dock. And then finally, some receipts can be auto-created through tools like ASNs. Slide 4. How are receipts created in Oracle Cloud ERP? Well, the 4 methods are as follows. First, auto-generated from ASNs, which we just talked about. Then prior from within the supplier portal. Then created by a requester. And finally, created by the material manager, like discussed in the prior slide. Slide 5. When are receipts created within the Oracle Cloud ERP procurement process? Well, let's take a look at that process and see when. First, pre-negotiated content is purchased by requesters adding items from catalogs to their requisition, submitting them for approval, generating a PO, and then receiving those goods or services at desk or dock. Now, when they can't find pre-negotiated content, those same requesters will use a non-catalog request to invoke the service of sourcing. Once you invoke that service, suppliers will register. They may be qualified if government. You may have some contractual for pre-purchase or non-contracts. You may have sourcing. You may have a purchase contract associated with that. Then you may create an agreement, or you may have a purchase order. And what you don't see here is you actually could receive that purchase order as well. So yes, it says you typically see the receipt being created for pre-negotiated content, as in My Receipts, but you could also have receipts for larger non-negotiated content items as well. Okay, so that's an introduction, a quick introduction to the My Receipts application in Oracle Cloud. Have questions? Great, reach out to me directly by clicking the link below. Want to learn how to create a receipts transaction in Oracle Cloud? Check out my free online video at Panameer.com. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.